Hilaro, beloved teachers, parents, and fellow classmates, our principal, Mr. J.R. Longasa, good morning. 6 years, time flies so fast. The first part of our journey has ended. We, all of us, will start a new and exciting life. I can still remember all the strange new faces I met lining up when the primary school started. People I have learned to love, hate, and join hands in my journey through primary school. Strangers, I and most of us now all are batchmates, groupmates, classmates, support, and most especially friends. 6 years have passed. All our hard work have paid off. This time, we remember time spent on schoolwork, exams, projects, and school activities. These are the times I wish everyone cultivated knowledge and learned skills to get ready for a more challenging journey we are to face. I would like to thank the good Lord for bringing everyone together today, for the strength and love He gave us to be able to make it to this moment, to my teachers who made my stay in school the best. Thank you for helping us learn what we need to know, for sharing the knowledge and fun preparing us for secondary school. We salute you for your undying dedication to our welfare and keeping our fire and thirst for learning burning. Mommy, Daddy, I love you so much. I can thank you more enough for bringing me out to this world. I thank you for your unfailing love, support, and understanding. All this will not be possible without you by my side. To all the parents here, we thank you for guiding each and every one of us. Graduation is the day we have all waited for. Let's all celebrate. However, let us not forget what we have learned. Remember the people who made all this possible. Look forward, but not forget to look back. Learning is a constant process. Let us not be afraid to learn and discover. Today, we all stand here, look around, all the smiling faces on this wonderful day. Our graduation day, let us all congratulate everyone for making this possible. Our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal once said, "Youth is the hope of the nation. Let us treat them right." Let's all have a great day. Cheers.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Bernadette A. Sakdalan. For the pledge of loyalty, may call on Desmond Bittig, the class first honorable mention, to lead their fellow graduates.